Hello students, let us solve a few problems. Simplify and give reasons. The first and second, both are I am going to solve. So let us take the first problem. What we gave is, so the bracket of 3 to the power of 2 minus 2 to the power of 2, put in brackets, divided by 1 by 5 whole power 2 is given. So that is equals to, simplify the bracket term first. So bracket of 3 square value. So 3 square value, you know that 3 square value is 9, 2 square value is 4. So this is 9 minus 4. Just put in bracket, divided by, and you can simplify this as itself. 1 by 5 remains the same, whole power 2. Now that is equals to, bracket of 9 minus 4 is 5, divided by 1 by 5. So bracket of whole power 2. Now inside bracket what I am going to do is, so square bracket of 5. This division symbol, if I replace with into, that the fraction on this 1 by 5 can be reversed. That we have to write the reciprocal of this one. So we can write it as 5 by 1. So bracket of whole power 2. So that is equals to square bracket of 5 into 5 by 1 is 5 whole power 2. 5 5s are 25 and 25 whole power 2. So let us check the multiplication and write the result here. So 25 times of 25. Let's solve this. So 5 times of 5 is 25. 5 times of 2 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. Into 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4 plus 1. 5. This is 5, 2, 6. So 625 is the final answer. This is the final answer when we simplify that. How we have simplified? So we have to write the reason. Reason means you have to simplify how you are simplified here. The conditions whatever you are using here. So here I use that a square condition, that can be written as a into a. Yeah, you can solve division. So divide by replace with into, we have reverse the fraction, and we have done with the laws of exponents. Let us solve the second problem. So number 2, what he gave is, so write on the problem. So 5 whole square to the power of 3 times 5 to the power of 4, and just put it in brackets, divided by 5 to the power of 6. So first simplify the bracket terms. So 5 square is 25. So 25 whole power 3 times 5 to the power of 4. Just put in bracket, divided by 5 by 6. I'm not going to simplify this 5 over 6. I'll just keep 5 over 6 as it is till end. So now see 25 power 3. So 25 is being multiplied for 3 times. So we have to write it. Otherwise, what I do is I just simplify in another way, that I just keep it as it is. 25 whole power 3 remains the same, and 5 power 4 remains the same. This division symbol is replaced with into. So 1 by 5 power 6 can be written as, 5 power 6 can be written as 1 by 5 power 6. Now see that what I do is, I write this 25 as 5 square. So what happens, see that. So 5 square whole to the power of 3 into, this is 5 to the power of 4 into 1 by 5 to the power of 6. Now both the power, so simplify this first. So 5 to the power of a power m whole power m formula. So using that formula, if I simplify that, this is 5 power 6 into 5 over 4 into 1 by 5 over 6. So if you clearly observe that the numerator and denominator will get cancelled. So what I remain is, I remain with 5 to the power of 4. So let us simplify this. So 5 is being multiplied for 4 times. So see that 5 times of 5 is 25. 5 times of 5 is 25. So 25 times of 25. Already we have done here. It is 625. The answer is 625. So what do we observe in the both the cases? So we got the same result as 625. This is how we solve. So every step, whatever you are doing, so write the reason here behind that. So since we are using the rule a power m whole power n is equals to a power mn, so like that you have to write the rule or law whichever you are using corresponding to that statement. Let us evaluate these two problems. So in this I'm going to solve one problem for you, and the next one you have to solve yourself. So what it is, I'll take the first one and solve it. So take the first problem. Evaluate 8 to the power of minus 1 into 5 to the power of 3 by 2 to the power of minus 4. So here what I do is, so 8 to the power of minus 1, that can be written as using a power minus m, and this can be written as, so see that 1 by 8. So which one? This one, 8 power minus 1 I have written as 1 by 8. Yeah, the remaining I'm writing as is 5 to the power of 3 by 2 to the power of minus 4. Now what I do is, I'll simplify this. 2 to the power of minus 4, that can be written as using the raw a to the power of minus m is equals to 1 by a to the power of m. So same rule if I use here, this will go to numerator. So what that happens is 1 by 8 into 5 power 3 remains the same, into 2 power minus 4 can be written as 2 to the power of 4. It comes to numerator. Now let us solve this. So here how can we solve this is, so 1 by 8 into, this is 5 times of 3 is 125 into 2 times of 4 is 2 times of 2, 2 and 2. 2 times of 2 is 4. 2 times of 4 times of 2 is 8. 8 times of 2 is 16. So write 16 here. Now do cancellation. 8 times of 1 and 8 times of 2. What is remaining is 125 times of 2. So simplify that and get the answer as 250. This is our final answer. The same way, likewise, this is 5 power minus 1. Use the same rule here which I used in this. So same property, use this property to solve that problem. So kindly take this as homework. Yeah, solve this problem as homework and make a fair in your classwork. See here, these are the very important problems here. So what he gave is, find the value of n in which the following. So we have to find the value of n from the given statement. So I'll solve 3 problems for you. So here we go. So first problem, what is the first one is given? Yeah, 2 by 3 whole power 3 into 2 by 3 whole power 5 is equals to 2 by 3 whole power n minus 2 is given. So if you clearly observe that all the bases are same. So we know one rule that if bases are equal, powers can be added. So I'll apply that logic here. So if bases are same, then powers can be added. So use that rule. So what I'm doing here is, so I'll write this as 2 by 3 whole to the power of 3 plus 5 is equal to, RHS side will remains the same, it doesn't change. Now come here. So 2 by 3 whole to the power of, how much this 3 plus 5? So 3 plus 5 is 8. So 8 is equals to, so RHS remains the same. I'm not solving it now. In this step I got left with left side one value and right side one value. Again, if you observe that both are having same basis. So if their bases are equated here, if two exponents are equated and bases are equal, then here the powers can be equated. So powers are equal. So in this case, both the powers are equal. So that is the powers are equal. So I write that as 8 is equals to n minus 2. So n minus 2 is equals to 8. N is equals to, so transpose minus 2 to RHS side, that will be written as 8 plus 2. So n is equals to 8 plus 2 is 10. This is the final answer where he asked you to find the value of n. So n is equal to 10 is the answer. Understand, students? So let us solve the second problem. So far we have done the first one. Let's see second problem. Number 2. The second problem what he gave is minus 3 to the power of n plus 1 times minus 3 to the power of 5 is equals to minus 3 to the power of 4 minus 4. So here minus 3 to the power of n plus 1 into minus 3 to the power of 5 is equals to minus 3 to the power of negative 4. So here same logic as previously I applied, that both bases are equal, so powers can be added. So here bases are equal, so powers can be added. So that what I'm doing is, so minus 3 to the power of n plus 1 plus 5. So why 5? Since here the power is 5, here the power is n plus 1. Both have been added. So and what is RHS side? It remains the same. So till LHS has been simplified. So now simplify LHS. So that is equals to minus 3 whole to the power of, what you left is n, 1 plus 5 is 6. So n plus 6, that is equals to minus 3 whole to the power of minus 4. Here see that both side, if you can clearly observe that, so these two exponents having same basis and both are equal. So same rule I'm using, that is powers are exponents are equal. Powers are equal. So powers are equal. So that I can write this as n plus 6 is equals to minus 4. N plus 6 is equals to minus 4. Now n is equals to, if I transpose plus 6 to RHS side, what it comes is minus 4 minus 6. So n is equals to minus 10. So this is the answer which I got. Understand, students? So let us solve the third problem. See, students, what the third problem is. 7 power 2n plus 1 divided by 49 is equal to 7 power 3. So let us start this. So 7 power 2n plus 1 divided by 49 is equals to 7 power 3. So here if you can clearly observe that this division symbol is given in between. So what I solve is, so I replace this division with into, then this can be written as 1 by 49. So RHS remains the constant. So now again what I'm doing is 2 power 7 2n plus 7 power 2n plus 1 into this, I write this as 1 by 49 can be written as 7 square, right? 7 sevens are 49. So RHS remains the same. So here 7 power 2n plus 1 into, so see here, if 7 power 2 is being transposed to numerator using the identity, we can write it as 7 power minus 2 is equal to 7 power 3. So here if you can check that which rule I have used is, here what I used here is a to the power of minus m can be written as 1 by a to the power of m. So since this is being used, so we can use it vice versa. So here let us simplify this. 7 power 2n plus 1 into 1 by 7 sorry, to simplify that already we have been simplified it, so 7 power minus 2. Now what I do is, yeah, the bases are equal, so both are in multiplication and bases are equal, so what I do is add the bases, so add the powers, so that is, yeah, add the powers, that is add the powers. Now see, 7 power 2n plus 1 plus of minus 2. 7 power 2n plus of minus 2. Why? Because I have added the powers 2n plus 1 and minus 2. So what is RHS? It is still remains the same and it is been unchanged. Now let us simplify this. 7 power, so 2n plus 1 plus into minus is minus 2, that is equals to 7 power 3. Now simplify this. 7 power 2n, 1 minus 2 is minus 1, is equal to 7 power 3. Now use the previous rule, bases are equal, equate the powers. Therefore 2n minus 1 is equal to 3. So 2n is equals to 3, transpose minus 1 to LHS side, that is plus 1. 2n is equals to 4. So from this we can write n is equals to 4 by 2. 2 times of 1 and 2 times of 2. So n is equals to 2. This is the answer. Understand? This is how we can solve. Yeah, got it, kids? So hope you understand this. These are very important problems and copy this.